Business analytics, your key to cracking the code of success. Ever wonder how companies make those big decisions? Exploding head, it's not magic, it's business analytics. Bar chart, I'm your guide to this exciting world where data meets strategy. Brain. What do we learn? We crack open the treasure chest of data, uncovering hidden patterns and trends. Woman detective, we learn to speak the language of numbers, turning them into actionable insights. Chart increasing. Mastering the game, it's all about curiosity, critical thinking, and a knack for storytelling. Lightbulb, you'll become a data detective, uncovering the why behind every business move. Magnifying glass, tilted left. So, what do business analysts actually do? We're the bridge between data and decisions. Handshake, we help companies understand their customers, optimize operations, and stay ahead of the curve. Rocket. Ready to join the data revolution? Dive into the world of business analytics and unlock your potential. Trophy.